Welcome to Genius Connect. Please subscribe and share.
Hello everyone, I am Sapna Rathod, Faculty of English at Jai International School. Before starting anything, I would like to ask you a question. Do you find problems in speaking English language? Do you feel that you learn a lot of grammar and vocabulary and even then you're missing somewhere in English? Do you have problems for framing the sentences in English? Yes, it means that we are lacking in fluency somewhere. I will share some few tips with you which will improve your fluency in English. But before that, what actually is fluency? Does it mean just speaking a language well? No, it actually means speaking a language well without hesitating or stopping. You may be able to converse with your friends, but if you are hesitating or stopping somewhere, you are lacking in your fluency. So let's begin with the points here. First point, the most important is speaking. Get out there and speak. Without conversing, you will not be able to improve your fluency. It is very much obvious that speaking can improve only by speaking, right? So if I am not speaking and if I am hesitating, I will not be able to improve my speaking. I may be able to read nicely, write nicely and listen properly and understand properly. But speaking is only done when you speak a lot. So get out there and converse with people regularly, at least 2 to 3 hours in a week. This will help you a lot. The second point which is to be kept in mind, get used to pressure. When you are speaking a different language than your mother tongue, it is very much obvious that you would be facing a lot of difficulties and you would feel uncomfortable. You will not be able to step out of your comfort zone because it's not your mother tongue. But that's the way it is. We have to accept it and go for it. If you hesitate or if you worry about that, if I make mistakes, what would happen? Then you would never be able to go ahead. So get out of the pressure or get used to that pressure. It may help you better to improve your fluency. The next point I would like to share is speed reading. Reading is one way to improve fluency when you try to read it in speed. Keep some language, keep some paragraph or story of your choice and then try to read it in speed. Keep a timer with you and match your own speed. First of all, take some easy topics and with easy words and try to read it in speed, and later on try to beat your own speed by doing it again. So this will improve your reading as well as speaking. The last but my favorite is using songs. Using English songs. Now there are too many English songs available. First of all, select some slow songs which are easy to understand for you. Then note down the lyrics. Now play the song, sing along and go on reading the lyrics. If you read and sing, you will try to match the pace of the song. So when you try to match the speed of the song, definitely you will try to speak fast. So this will improve your fluency automatically. So if these tips are helpful to you, I would be very happy. Thank you.
I hope you all would have enjoyed this video. Subscribe to Genius Connect and put on the notification to receive more such videos. Like and share this video too. Thanks for watching.